Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're making a fun and refreshing Thai Blue Butterfly Pea lemonade, also known as Magic Color Changing Lemonade. This unique drink is made using Thai Blue Butterfly Pea flowers, a beautiful tropical plant native to Southeast Asia. The vibrant blue petals of the butterfly pea flower are not only stunning but also have natural color changing properties, which makes this lemonade extra magical. When you add lemon juice, the deep blue liquid transforms into a gorgeous purple or pink depending on the acidity. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jerry, and I love sharing my favorite recipes, crafts, and homemade products, all centered around fresh, healthy, and wholesome ingredients, many of which I grow right in my own garden, including these stunning Thai Blue Butterfly Pea flowers. If you're interested in growing your own Thai Blue Butterfly Pea, I've got guides on how to grow it over on my Jera's Garden YouTube channel. Plus, since I own a seed and plant nursery, you can purchase Thai Blue Butterfly Pea seeds and sometimes plants directly from my website. Not only is Thai Blue Butterfly Pea flower visually enchanting, but it's also packed with health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, helps reduce inflammation, and supports overall skin and hair health. The intense blue color is attributed to high amounts of antioxidants, actually the same antioxidants that gives blueberries its deep blue color. Alright, let's get into making this fun and magical color-changing lemonade. You can find the full recipe with instructions on my website, which I will link in the description. A neat feature of blue-colored Thai butterfly pea is that it changes color according to pH, so it's a fun activity to do with kids. At neutral pH, it's a blue color, but add a few drops of something acidic like this lemon juice and it will turn pink. A popular recipe with the kids is color-changing magic lemonade, so let me show you how to make it. First, steep a handful of dried Thai Blue Butterfly Pea flowers with some hot water. I'm using a standard Pyrex measuring cup which holds 4 cups of water. Let this steep for at least 20 minutes and until the liquid has come to room temperature. Then strain out the flowers. As you can see, the blue color is very intense. Next, make a simple syrup by mixing equal parts of white sugar or allulose with water. Stir until it dissolves. I like using allulose as an all-natural sugar alternative because my doctor told me it doesn't spike blood sugar levels and it's a prebiotic food. Then prepare the lemon juice by squeezing several lemons. I usually squeeze 1.5 lemons worth of juice for each cup of this recipe that I make. Pour the blue tea into individual cups filled with ice, leaving some space to add the simple syrup and lemon juice. Mix in some of the simple syrup, add enough until the drink is sweetened to your liking. My son likes sweet lemonade, I like mine not too sweet. And then slowly pour the lemon juice into the cup so you can watch the color change. It changes from blue to pink as the pH goes from neutral to more acidic. I can't think of a more refreshing beverage to be drinking in my garden than this Thai Butterfly Pea flower lemonade. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, increasing the health benefits of standard lemonade. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to make your own magic color changing lemonade at home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more unique recipes and projects using fresh, wholesome ingredients. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.